Hey G Squad, welcome back to my solo. Is it worth it? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a rice cooker. And for this rice cooker, you do have the option to use it as a slow cooker, a steamer, and also a warmer as well. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys turn to this side right here, they do show you guys what's included inside. And if you guys turn on the side right here, they do provide guys some specs and features that's on the product. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here, they do provide guys 2 accessories. And you see how it's all sealed up, so that way you know it's brand new. But let's take this out to show you guys what it actually looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So they basically provide guys 2 scooper options, one probably for rice, and then one for like liquid. And for both of them, they do give you guys a little hole for you to hang it somewhere to keep it organized if you guys want to. And then right underneath that, you can see we do have the product, and it's all well protected. So take off the protection layer first. So once you guys take off the first layer, you can see the product underneath it. So let's do take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. You can see how it's all nicely wrapped up. Let me actually take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here on the side, you can see we do have the cable for it to plug in to actually activate it. Top part right here, we do have a handle option, so that way you can carry around really easily. And for the handle, you do have the option to put it down like this. And then right here is basically what the top part looks like. So right here, we do have the vent option. So when you guys are cooking your rice or cooking stuff inside, this is basically where the steam or the smoke will come out. Right here in the middle, you can see we do have the brand logo. Right underneath that, you can see we do have a few buttons. So we do have a menu button, we have a keep warm button and a cancel button. We have a start button, preset button, and right here we do have a timer option for hours and minute. I'm assuming for this part right here will be the display screen that will show like the time and everything. And I do want to mention for the air vent option right here, you do have the option to take it out, so that way you can clean it really easy. And obviously for the first time using the product, you do want to wash that part right there and the inside parts as well. But right here in the front, you can see we do have a button. So if you guys push on it, that will basically open the product. So for the top part right here, you can see we do have the lid. And for this lid option, you do have the option to take it out. So the way how you guys take out the lid, you guys can go like this and take it out really easy. And then once you guys finish washing it, you guys can put it back in and lock it back in just like that. And then right here is basically what the inner pot looks like. So they do give you guys like a measuring cup. And then inside they do give you guys 2 different bowls. Let me take out both of them to show you guys what it looks like. So when you guys take it out, you can see right here we do have the 2 different bowls. So for the first bowl that's right here, this one looks like a steaming bowl option. So you're gonna steam stuff in here, you do have the option available. And the way how they design this product not only allow you guys to steam stuff with this, but you can also use it to wash rice. You can see how the inside they do have the measurement for the rice option. And right here we do have the bowl for you to cook the rice. So let's do take out the wrapper. Here is basically what the product looks like. So they do mention material that they use on here is titanium material, and they allow you guys to use induction heating. So when you do feel the material that's on here, it definitely does feel like a high quality material. And when you see the inside right here, they do have the measurement to let you guys how much water and how much rice to add. And also on the other side right here as well. So right here they show you guys how much to add for steaming, and right here for white rice and brown rice. I believe the material that they use in here is like a non-stick material, but I feel like over time if you guys use like the wrong kind of material, it might scratch the inside. So it's definitely something to kind of remember when you guys do use it. But right here is basically what the inside looks like. So once you guys wash all the different parts, you guys are ready to start using it. So you definitely have the option to just use this, or you can put this on top. And that will allow you guys to steam stuff inside right here if you guys want to. And because the product uses induction heating, it will heat everything up really fast and will cook everything that's inside right here evenly as well. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Before I go test this out, let me just plug this in to show you guys what the display screen looks like first. Once you guys plug it in, you guys can hear that sound. And then right here is basically what the screen looks like. So in the middle right here, we do have the time. And right here on the side and right here as well, you can see it show you guys all the different options available. So you basically have a low carb option, quick rice option, white rice option, brown rice, mixed grain, quinoa, steam, and oatmeal. So let's press on the menu button. That basically allows you guys to select what you guys want to use. And then once you guys are ready to use that, you basically want to press on start. If you guys press right here, there's basically a preset option for everything that's on here as well. If you guys press right here, that is basically a timer option for you to change the time if you guys do need to. And then obviously if you guys want to keep warm, you basically want to press right here. And that turns on the keep warm option. But because I don't have anything installed right here yet, I don't want to turn it on. But that is basically everything that's on here in terms of how to use it. Now I'm going to bring this over a table to test it out to show you guys how well it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to wash everything first to make sure it's clean. And you do want to wash the inner layer as well to make sure it's clean. Alright, so that should be good. So what I want to do right now is to wash some rice inside right here. So you definitely have the option to use this, or you can use your own measuring option to actually measure the rice in the water. So for this test, I'm going to use my own measuring cup that we have right here, because this one is so much more convenient. And usually when I wash the rice, I wash it around like 2 to 3 times. Alright, so now let's pour it on top. Alright, so it looks good. So I don't want the bottom to make sure it's clean and dry. And don't put this inside. And when you guys do the product, you do have the option to cook the rice first and then use the steaming option, or you can do both at the same time. So I think what I'm going to do is to cook the rice first, and then we'll add the stuff on top so that we can fall on the bottom. Alright, so once you guys close it, now let's try to turn it on. So pretty much for this test, when we added white rice, I want to cook white rice. So I press the menu. We do have the option to do quick rice or do white rice. So since it's 50 minutes, we'll use the 50-minute option. So we gotta click on start. It basically starts cooking the rice. So I do love the fact that how they do have a timer option to let you guys know how long it'll take. So I guess we'll let it do its own thing, and then we'll come back and check on it in a bit. Alright, so I see there's 1 minute left, so it should be almost done. Alright, so once it's done, if you guys can hear that beeping noise. So basically what's happening right now is turn on the keep warm option. So if you guys are ready to eat, you guys can definitely open up and start eating it. But if you guys are not ready to eat yet, you guys can leave it as is to keep warm the product. But let's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Here is basically what the inside looks like. If you can see, the rice is basically all done. And if you guys want to use the steaming option, you guys can definitely put some water inside and steam the product inside. So I'm going to scoop out the rice, and then we'll use the steaming option. So when you guys scoop the rice out, you guys can definitely use the accessory that provides for you guys right here. And you see, when you guys do scoop the rice, it does come out so easily because it does have like that non-stick material that's on here, which is pretty nice. But let's scoop this out first and we'll try out the steaming option. So what I'm doing right now is probably wash the pot first to make sure it's clean before we actually steam it. So you see, it's actually very easy to clean it because of the non-stick material that's on here. But now let's try the steaming option. Alright, so we just add the water inside. So you can see how high we add the water, because there is a line for where you guys want to add the water for steaming option. So what I'm doing now is close that up, cancel, and click on menu. And when we use steam, and for the steam option, you do have the option to change the time. So you do have the option to change hour or minute. So we'll try for 30 minutes. So what I'm doing now is to add the stuff inside, which is right here. So just put it inside right there, and we'll come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around 10 minutes. You can see how there's a lot of steam coming out. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like. So you can see the inside is basically almost done. I'm going to leave it in for a little bit longer. Alright, so it's been 14 minutes. Let's check again. Alright, so it looks like everything is done. So now we can take it out and start enjoying the meal. So you can see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So next quick test of product definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. If you see, when we do use the product, it definitely heats up everything really well. So regardless if you guys want to cook rice or if you guys want to cook something else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But I do love the way how they designed the product, so that way it's really easy for us to clean everything on here in terms of the bowl and also where the steam comes out. Because there are some rice cookers that do not give you guys that option, and sometimes when you guys need to clean it, it's kind of hard. And the fact that this product allows you guys to cook stuff on here, whether if you guys want to steam, warm, slow cook, or even just cook rice, that is actually pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality rice cooker that give you guys the same kind of functionality that's on here as well, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.